And let's cut across to the big political fight for the state of Haryana. Home Minister Amit Shah fired a big attack on Congress over Kumari Shailja, accusing the Congress of disrespecting Dalits. This after several questions were whether the Congress has sidelined Kumari Shailja. Amit Shah has latched onto this, saying Congress is disrespecting the work of Dalit leaders. Let's play out for you what the Home Minister said while on the campaign trail.
A Congress party, दलित विरोधी पार्टी कांग्रेस पार्टी ने हरियाणा में, आज मैं हुड्डा जी को याद कराने आया हूं, ये राहुल बाबा को भी कहने आया हूं, 2005 का गोहाना कांड हुआ, किसकी जिम्मेदारी? कांग्रेस की। 2010 में मीरपुर कांड हुआ, किसकी जिम्मेदारी? कांग्रेस की। और हमेशा कांग्रेस के शासन में नॉट फाउंड फॉर सुटेबल कर नौकरियों से आरक्षण के वंचित रखने का काम किया है और हमेशा से दलित नेताओं का अपमान करने का काम कांग्रेस पार्टी ने किया। चाहे डॉक्टर अशोक तंवर हो, चाहे बहन कुमारी सैलजा हो, सबका अपमान कांग्रेस ने किया है। और आंबेडकर जी, जब तक कांग्रेस की सरकार नहीं गई, बाबा आंबेडकर को भारत रत्न नहीं मिला और भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने 5 तीर्थ आंबेडकर जी के लिए बनाए और संविधान दिन मनाने की घोषणा की।
Manjeet Sehgal is joining us live with more details on this. Manjeet, on one hand, the Congress firefighting this entire narrative that they've sidelined Kumari Shailja, and the BJP is trying to use this now to their advantage to kind of get Dalits over to their side.
Well, एक सकता beat the Union Home Minister Amit Shah or beat the Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini or other leaders and the Bharatiya Janata Party state chief, all have been sending feelers to Kumari Shailja, who was miffed with the Congress Party High Command due to 3 reasons. One, the tickets which she had sought for her supporters were not given. Even she was not able to get a ticket for Ajay Chaudhary, who was close to her, and he was seeking ticket from Narnon. Bhupender Singh Hooda managed to get 72 tickets out of 90 tickets. Secondly, there was a casteist remark made by one of the Hooda supporters against Kumari Shailja. Though FIR has been registered, but no action has been taken against the person who made casteist remarks against Shailja. Shailja was also keen to contest the election, but that was also denied. So Kumari Shailja now has clarified that she may not join the Bharatiya Janata Party, but the BJP leaders continue to send her feelers simply because BJP lacks a big face, big Dalit face like Kumari Shailja, but she has now made it clear that she is not going to join the Bharatiya Janata Party. But the Congress has also now launched damage control. Kumari Shailja is not campaigning. She has not even made a single post.
Let's get you what Kumari Shailja has to say on this entire issue. Manjeet, thank you for joining us with those details. While you're seeing all this back and forth between the BJP and Congress, hear from the horse's mouth of what's really happening. Here's Kumari Shailja in conversation with Rahul Kanwal.
You've been a loyal and disciplined soldier of the Congress party for several decades now. You're mentioning certain things. To what extent can you elaborate so people have a sense of why is it that Shailja ji looks cut up in this election?
You know, as they say, जो जनता है ये सब जानती है. So let's not delve into those on a forum like this. Some things remain within the party and as they should be. But I will be campaigning, there's no doubt. I haven't been out till now, but candidates also have been a little busy, you know, in their own way, campaigning for themselves. But I'll be stepping out, there's no doubt about that.
But one of the reasons seems to be that a lot of the candidates that you would have ideally wanted should be given tickets were not given tickets. And therefore, is that also something that's adding to your list of woes?
Well, there is a certain angst about it, but I think we need to overcome that now and look forward to other things, namely getting a party into power again.
But what's interesting is the number of offers that you're getting from the BJP to join. We had Manohar Lal Khattar originally, and now we had the Chief Minister. When I interviewed him earlier today, he's saying that you're more than welcome. You seem to be quite in demand.
Yeah, funnily, no, isn't it? And this is being said about someone who's a dyed-in-wool Congress person, born Congress person, will die a Congress person. I'm wedded to my ideology, to my party. So I find it kind of funny.
So there's no pause, because so many people from Jyotiraditya Scindia, about whom the same could have been said, Jitin Prasad, RPN Singh, they've left.
I cannot comment on others. I would not like to. They may have had their reasons or whatever it was, but I know for sure, and my people know, Haryana people know, Congress people know that Selja will never leave the Congress.